Heavy prosthetic leg is dead kung nahihirapan ka pa rin maglakad. Maybe this is for you. Kapag mabigat ang prosthetic leg, tumataas ang energy expenditure mo habang naglalakad. Ibig sabihin, mas maraming effort ang kailangan para lang ma-maintain ang balance at movement. Kaya mapapansin mo, mas mabilis kang mapagod, umiikli yung stride mo, at nawawala yung natural na flow ng lakad. Eventually, nagkakaroon ng compensation. Nag-a-adjust yung katawan mo in a way na hindi na optimal, which can lead to discomfort at long-term issues. What works better now is our BK Carbon prosthetic leg, lightweight materials, 100% pure carbon fiber, precision socket fit, waterproof, secure suspension system. This improves balance, reduces effort, and allows a more natural walking pattern, ensuring a stable and consistent interface between the residual limb and the socket. Designed to move in synergy with your body mechanics, not against it, allowing smoother weight transfer, better control, at a more natural gait pattern. Kung ready ka ng maranasan ng lightweight, efficient, at stable na gait, then it's time to elevate your standard. Because performance starts with the right foundation. You deserve a system that is engineered to high-performance activities, not just to function. Something that is precise, reliable, and built for your lifestyle. Something that actually works. Walk with confidence. Walk with purpose. Tatak OrthoWorks PH Lakad na may confidence.